And we are live. This is actually part two. I had to restart my computer during the first stream. So I'm back. And I think we're doing pretty good now. So hopefully we can roll this stream uninterrupted. And hopefully we get the squad back in here, man. Had a nice little thing going. Oh man, I missed AMD, man. Bruh. I was definitely gonna take AMD right there. That's tragic. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way in, guys. Um, mm mm mm. That's crazy. I was definitely gonna take that AMD trade, man. Absolutely. That's crazy. I bet you I add to meta right here. For 76.45. So that's a dollar stop. Five shares. I'm saying, bro. Can you believe it? Bro, but AMD, Pond, look at AMD. I was totally gonna take that 5-minute candle on AMD. I was absolutely gonna take this. Like 100%, I was gonna take that. Man. Bro, I was absolutely gonna take it. Yeah, bro. AMD went crazy. That was the candle, man. That's exactly what I'm looking for right there, bro. This is like the perfect pattern. Look at it, man. Ugh. Oh man, we back to freezing again. What is up? I might need to get an update from my broker or something. I allocated more resources to parallels thinking that that was what the problem was, but apparently that's not the issue. Yeah, man, this is clean to me. This is nice. Like, yeah, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. What else did I have going on up here? Oh, Baba. Whoo, Baba went crazy. Baba went crazy today. Nah, I just have this running in my my streaming software and Discord. But I mean, normally I don't have any issues with the same stuff that I'm running. So it's making me think it's my broker or something. Or the Sterling server. Because I never have issues. Well, I mean, sometimes it's a little laggy. And go Walmart for another one. This is your chance. 89.69. 20¢. Yeah, I like Walmart now. Only worry is it might go back and touch VWAP, but I like this. I think it's worth a shot. What's up, signature? 476, 68. Oh, Nvidia. Oh, oof. Is this a lower low? 94.20. Man. 53.36. Well, that was a quick stop on. Man, because I had to restart my computer, Pond. Yeah, I definitely should have waited for Walmart to come back down to VWAP to mess with that. I was 100% going to take AMD, though. 100%. I just hopped in Nvidia. 950. Yeah, how do I hop in it now, though? That was a super pretty candle on AMD. It was like, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. I wanted it so bad. I don't know what's going on with Meta. It's definitely taking its time. Boy, these 5 minute candles take a long time to play out. 5 minutes to be exact. Oh, did you take it, signature? I thought that was a total gimme play right there, man. It was clear as day. Congrats, bro. Happy to hear it. So I stopped out on Walmart. This was kind of a reckless play on Walmart, though. I definitely should have waited for the tap back to VWAP for sure, which it just did. And now I don't want it anymore. I did jump in Nvidia right here though. Nice. That's perfect, bro. Nice work. I'm trying not to gunsling too much, but it feels so inconsequential having so few shares. You like that Nvidia idea? I do too. Alright, I did just jump in Microsoft. Oh man, what is that? Oh, I need to get more shares. There we go. $423. $423.69. Stop. Sell. 424. Yeah, I think Microsoft is looking pretty good. Nvidia's got me doubting. 93. If we get over 954 though, I think Nvidia's golden. Possibly. I think it might just come back down to 163. New highs in the SPY. That's a good thing. Come on, Meta. $1.50. Microsoft. Alright, I just added to Meta. So tighten up my stop to 475.47. Stop. Sell. What's up, HH? Yeah, I think Baba was crazy, man. It would have been real nice to be a part of that Baba move. 479.89. I know, right? Hey, Microsoft's looking good. Looking good. Bruh, that AMD trade, y'all. The AMD trade was nice. Can't catch them all. Sold Baba at 85. Where'd you get in at? 83 was like a probably the best entry I could have imagined. Well, nah, I mean, he had some other options. I don't know which ones would have been more safe than that, though. People in the black suits with the helicopters. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Apple looks kind of interesting right here. Kind of late to the mention, but I don't know what that looks like. That looks like that might look nice on the 15. Yep, look at that. It looks good on the 15 and hourly. Over 68. It ain't too late. I know I'm doing way too much right now. I need to chill. I don't want to make a habit of jumping in too many positions. So let me chill out. Hmm. 84.50. Wow, it's still running, man. Baba was at 1. I think it's about time for Meta to explode up. I don't know what it's waiting on. SPY's going. SPY's going strong. SPY on its way to 531. AMD's making highs too. Why is the Nvidia lagging so hard? I guess I should have noticed that. Come on, Meta. It's time. Yeah, I sure did, Olu. I sure did. It was very choppy. Okay, we back in the green on Meta. Almost up 1R on Microsoft. Nvidia look like it might do something. Let's go, Meta. Let's go. Yeah. If we can get back to highs in the next 10 minutes, that would look really nice on this hourly chart. $489.78 today. That's why I really like Meta HH. Thing got massive upside. It's pretty much just been consolidating all morning though. Cake is down. You take any profits on the swing? Yeah, bro, it's up 4 candles, man. Up 4 candles, bro. Man, not the cake. I'm saying, man, cake been pumping. Nvidia is not feeling the wave today. maybe this is the moment right here. Meta does? Installing wind turbines for renewable energy. Oh, okay, the company. Okay, I got you. I was about to say, Meta's installing wind turbines. Nah, I get it though. Oh, okay, it makes sense. Signature. Yeah, Apple went straight to the ground. I still got to pay attention to those lower highs for sure. Hey, Michael, bro. Michael not playing. I was thinking about you, bro. Like, man, I ain't seen Michael in a minute. Yeah, I'm trying to tap into there. I was thinking about that yesterday, HH, about, Catalyst and spending time in the mornings going through news. We finally got a high, a high getting made on Meta. I'm telling you, I'm hoping it gets to the high of this high a day by the close of this hourly candle, which is 477.69. I think that would look great. It looks great right now on the 15 as well. I think this might be the time, Pond. Man, I'm doing good, bro. Just, still struggling. I've moved up a time frame to the 5 minute. I'm done with the 2 minute charts. It's just too choppy. Too many false signals. I don't have the patience to wait for the confirmation I need to on the 2, it seems like. So I think I'll do a little better here on the 5. We'll see though. Nvidia look like it's about to stop out though. That will be my second of the day. Well, maybe Meta is not ready. $200 million in renewable energy play. Oh, okay. I hadn't really thought about that, bruh. I was thinking, well, no, I did think about it. I was thinking about it this morning that maybe I could trade until lunch. Because, I mean, everything's moving a lot slower on the 5 minute, Um, and honestly, man, it seems like on the 5 later in the day, I really do see a lot of play. Like yesterday, man, I saw like 3 setups line up perfectly and have a trigger candle right at 12 o'clock. It was like the moment 2 or 3 stocks reversed at VWAP with a hammer candle. And then they traded up the rest of the day. So, I don't know. Man, what is happening? Wow, the SPY is over 531. Yeah, Michael, still trying to find my little sweet spot, man. But making progress, I think. I think it's a big step for me to decide to leave the lower time frames alone because it's so clear to me that it's nothing but FOMO that wants me to stay on the lower time frames because I don't want to miss the setups. That's literally my only reason. And the setups are better on the higher time frames anyway. Like everybody knows that. People have been telling me that for a long time. So, yeah. Bruh, that AMD trade though. Google is going crazy right now too. Really could have taken Google. All right, Nvidia's looking okay. Meta's still questionable. Meta's starting to set up nicely though on the 15 and hourly. That's facts, HH. That's facts. I got the bruises to prove it, man. Yeah, man. Google is like really nice. Google didn't really want to let anybody trade it though. It just wanted to go straight up. I'm trying to think how often that opening hammer candle plays out to the bullish side. When it closes at near the top. All right, Meta. Let's go. 477. Yeah, I just want to get to 80. I think I'll be happy with 80. I think Meta's ready too. We just got to get through 77. I think Meta's going to be saucy. Look at that. Everything green for the moment. Oh, there goes Nvidia. About time. That thing was tightrope in my stop loss. Still a little part of me sick about AMD, yo. But you know what? I feel better knowing that Signature traded it and got to the bag. I feel better. Somebody got to the bag on it. What you looking at, HH? Bruh, Google, man. TSM might be ready. Apple might be ready. One thing seems to be for sure, Meta is just about ready. 15-minute candles closing, the hourly candles closing. Oh, Meta, yeah. Come on, Meta. There's 477. Go ahead and close over 477. Come on, Meta 477.50. What you think? What's that? That's your trigger to go in. Yeah, on the hourly, 477.57. Nvidia, what's up, Brad? Uh, yeah, I'm not surprised at that, HH. Thank is it Roaring Kitty? uh, oh, there's resistance right there. Okay. Yeah, seems to be the case. Come on, Microsoft. Nvidia testing 955. LSDI. That's what's up. Let me check you out, Brad. Whoa. That thing is thin on the 5 minute. Hey, you made money. I love it. That's what's up. Love the green days, man. Get to the bag. Well done, sir. Meta. Ooh, Nvidia. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look at that hourly on Nvidia. Yeah, man, I think I really like these higher time frames, man. 2 minute is straight garbage. Yeah, Nvidia is looking real good, man. Almost as good as AMD. Oh my god. All right, Meta. I like what you're doing. I mean, I wanted you to be at 478 right now so Pine can get his thing out, but I see what you're doing. Just need you to close up a little closer to 476.83. There you go. Up. That's not what I was quite looking for. Go up. Oh man, Microsoft coming back down. Under $1.50. Yeah. Wow, it's trading nicely though. It's not bad. I mean, it's trading okay. All right, Microsoft, what we doing? Video pulling back. Meta's pulling back. Spies pulling back. I don't know. I'm trying to think why. What would have been a better attack for AMD? A 15-minute pre-market high? I don't know. Yeah. That 15-minute opening range breakout over pre-market high. Maybe. I don't know, man. Just trying to figure out how to not miss that again. Well, I missed the pullback. That's all. I missed the pullback. That was definitely the entry. I don't know, Pond. Meta don't like us. We should have listened to Ellingford. Bro. When you were telling me to get out and then you said long Meta. Oh, that was funny, man. It's like, that's my guy. Your stop is in? Oh, yeah, yeah, for sure. Gotta have that in. Yeah, if it breaks below this low right here, I'm out. If it breaks below 475.50, that's a wrap. It came down and touched 52 and got bought right back up. Man, the chart is what's up on Baba. HH, we got news on Baba. You were talking about it this earlier. Range is nonsense. My stop is in. Only day traded once this month. 3 for 1. Huh. Yeah, it was the daily for me on Baba. Look at that move today. My God. Today was the day. Today was the day. Hey, these positions are looking decent, man. We'll see. Microsoft pullback candle closing green. Trying to. I don't know what Meta got going on here. What's the high here? 44. Seven. Wow, that's pretty good. 7% increase in revenue year over year. Hey guys, take a minute and hit that like button for me. Por favor. Man. Meta that made me sit through this long trade just to crash out. Yeah, Meta looking bad. It was really starting to look so good on the higher time frames. Dang, there goes Microsoft. Okay. Well, Pond, I'm out of there. It's all on Nvidia now. No, I'm not trading below yesterday's close anymore. And it looks like the SPY needs to pull back for quite a while. AMD doesn't care anything about none of that noise. All right, Brad. Take care, man. Hopefully, one day we won't have to do that anymore. Wow. Look at this market pullback. Is this because of the Feds talking? No, I'm not trading options, just stocks. What time is it? 11:14. I don't see anybody do the speak right now. What's going on? Yeah, the SPY is dropping tremendously. The big crash. uh, this was just a big fake out. These last couple days was just a big old bear trap. I mean, bull trap. Now we're gonna get the real market. Yeah, bro. I had to get out of Meta too. I'm getting in TSM on this hourly 15 and 5. Oh, really? The ETF? Or he actually bought some hard gold? I just said I wasn't gonna buy below yesterday's close. How can you short the SPY? Yeah, there's inverses. Is it TQQQ? No, SQQQ. Yeah, SQQQ. It's only $9 too. I wouldn't do that. Hmm. Oh, wow. That's crazy, man. That level two is wild. Got a million shares sitting on each side. uh, that's crazy. Boy, Meta sure fell off. Hmm. The only reason I wouldn't do that because I don't want to pay interest on my positions and all this. I mean, I guess it shouldn't be margin. I shouldn't have to pay margin for that. Well, let's see. Yeah, even on 7 shares of TSM, I'm eating up a little bit of margin. Yeah, I have been really wanting to swing trade. I need to work on my overnight tolerance. Cause you see so many plays scanning the market, man. So many plays. For real, Ben. Bruh, you don't think the market's gonna bounce right here? Could possibly bounce right here. Only swing catalyst. Oh yeah, I didn't think about 1 share. I wouldn't be using margin with 1 share. But I don't know how they huh. 95251. Getting paid to wait. I'm calling the bank. Yeah. I might need to send a message to my broker or something because this is inexcusable at this point. Seemed like that would be my software, my computer though, that's freezing. Bro, what are we doing right now? What is this? All right, one thing I realized that I was doing today is not really focusing on higher highs and higher lows. I was just looking for basically hammer candles at VWAP. So I'm using a laptop. I mean the laptop's closed and I got my screens plugged into it, but I mean it's a pretty heavy duty laptop. It should be able to handle this stuff no problem. I mean it has handled this stuff. I haven't had any issues before today like this. Uh oh, TSM winding up. The market's bounced that VWAP. I hope you didn't really go short, did you, Ben? Pond tried to tell you not to do that stuff. $953.79. Yeah, maybe so. Um, I don't think so. Not harder than normal. Oh, thanks, Ben. Good looking out, man. Need somebody willing to take one for the team every now and then. uh, that's funny. What's this hourly for? 954.79. Taking one for the team. Gangster. Wow, Google had a nice pullback during that freeze. AMD just consolidated. Ben got the power. The sauce. Alright, let me update my stop loss here. 951.88. What's it gonna be? So I jumped in TSM on this. I liked this. I think this is a pretty good sign that it is holding. So that there's some support down here, yeah. And the hourly break of that top. So that was my justification of jumping into TSM where I did. My trigger was actually this hourly break, which is why it's way up here and not down here somewhere. And then I added to NVIDIA right there because VWAP had moved up quite a bit from my stop, and why not? So now I have 2 shares of NVIDIA. And the hourly just triggered on NVIDIA. Super nice setup on the 15 as well. Took an L on Goose. Closing up shop for now. Goose. Sheesh. Yeah, see, this is why I don't trust these gap ups, man. What a pullback. Gave it all back. Almost. Sorry about that, Pond. Yeah, these are definitely my last 2 because I definitely was not paying attention to higher high, higher lows. I definitely want to pay more attention to that tomorrow. But first day on the 5-minute, kind of got to get oriented. And hopefully I can get at least one of these to win. I want to go 0 for 5. It's not a good first impression. I got some lunch. Hey, that's what's up. Lunch sounds good. Wow, Microsoft really bounced back from that little pullback it did. Sheesh. All right, TSM. Oh. 156 on the penny from yesterday's high. Total lending. Come on, NVIDIA. $955.40. Making a big deal out of that price. everything stopped out except for Nvidia, and then I jumped in TSM on this 15 slash hourly that I like. But I keep forgetting that I don't want to take trades below yesterday's close. Really below yesterday's high, I don't want to take trades. Not long trades. I really haven't committed to a strong pre-market process, like, because I keep finding pre-market in different places. You know, sometimes I come sit down in pre-market and there's a lot to pick from on the gap up list. And then sometimes I sit down and there's nothing to pick from at the gap up list. Um, so it makes me inconsistent. Then I'll sit down and just say, okay, well, I'll just watch, the Magnificent Seven and see how they trade. And it just kind of throws me off a bit. Yeah, Walmart gapped up big and just consolidated all day. Oh, my bad. I guess you can see how my trades are going if I put my trade screen up. Well, the SPY with another big giant red candle pullback. I don't know what that's about. I've been waiting to jump on a call with you, Ellingford. I've been asking you for like a month. Let's rap about it. I'm here to learn, bro. I know, right? Oh, you mean about that meta trade? Hey, we were feeling hype for a minute on meta. uh, yeah, meta had me feeling good for a minute. Oh yeah, you were holding for that 478 print, huh, Pond? I was holding for 480. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Where's Ellingford trades? Oh man, a lot, bro. Ellingford got a he streams on YouTube too, Ben. Tell you what though, I'm definitely about to tighten up this stop. Um 952.03. Hmm. That's interesting. I probably have done it, bro. Oops. How did that happen? Bro. That's funny. Today, today I wasn't really. I don't know. Today I'm just looking for narrow range candles at VWAP today for some reason instead of looking for higher highs and higher lows. Um, yeah, so I don't know. I just coming in today, all I had on my mind was I'm trading the 5 minute chart, and I guess in my head I felt like that was gonna be magical, but I still need to keep all the other, you know, parts of my trading system in order. So, um, like the wanting price to build on itself and all of that. I didn't really pay attention to that today. I was just kind of trying to take narrow range entries. But let's see, Microsoft. I already knew I didn't like Walmart. Um, Nvidia, I think, is pretty decent right now. Yeah, that's facts for sure. YouTube University's been a long tough road. Definitely no reason to trade TSM. Well, hold on, let me see. Yeah, TSM was definitely bad. Yeah, but my entry on Walmart was garbage. Today was pretty bad. I really didn't have any. Yeah, today was just like just coming in thinking I was gonna find these miraculous entries on the five without. I think my TSM entry actually would work out. I don't know, but anyway, it's just a lot of things that I'm not doing consistently, and so I keep rotating back around to the same issues. Like I don't have a well-defined pre-market criteria. Mm. Yeah, my stop market orders is a FOMO thing too, as I have definitely paid for a lot of slippage, and and I've actually only missed out on a position one time because of a limit order. I believe in the stop market order though, because you got to get out when it's time to get out. Waiting for a limit order to get filled, I don't think that's worth the risk. Hmm. Yeah, my broker does too, actually. There's actually a way to make money from my broker with certain limit orders through certain paths. Um, yeah, yeah, I agree with you on the entry orders that it should be stop limits. Um, Giving away all your freebies, man. Yeah. Yeah, I've definitely gotten some sad slippage on some stuff. Um, hmm. This buy on Nvidia is pretty much where I want to be. I feel you right here. I definitely feel you on this entry. Um, and this is just, yeah, I definitely can't justify this entry right here, but this one right here I'm okay with because I mean this is pretty much what I'm looking for a higher high, higher low at VWAP. Um, yeah, I can't justify this one at all, and really any of them today. Meta, I mean, I don't like Meta because the only reason I would like Meta is if I look at the opening range and see that it's holding above that. But the main thing about Meta is just where it is on the higher time frame charts as far as um, being beneath most of yesterday's price action. And yeah, so I mean it's definitely a lot of poor trading going on over here today. The Microsoft play, yeah, this still isn't clean movement at all. This was a nice move up, but then it just consolidated at VWAP. TSM. I think the TSM trade will probably end up working. But I just moved my stop up and stopped myself out. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Yeah, watch this TSM one to go though. The TSM I got on the hourly. I literally triggered in on the top of this hourly candle and had my stop underneath these three candles. So I feel like it was a safe position, but I guess I kind of let myself get talked out of it. Or talked myself out of it. Just because, I mean, it is way below the high of day. And then just looking at relative strength, I mean, the obvious ones to take play today was AMD, Baba, Google. Those are the only ones on my chart that's actually trending up. Everything else is chopping. Everything else is chopping. And these are the clear plays right here. And I took 0 trades on those and a bunch of trades on these choppy ones. That's crazy. Huh. I think a lot Richard, like I completely agree, but like looking at everything that I traded, nothing was really trending. And that's my like the main issue. Nothing was really trending. Everything's just in that opening range that it made. That Walmart, Meta, nothing really. None of these stocks actually moved. And there goes Nvidia. Yeah, it's all range bound, man. Like, what is going on? But then you look at like AMD. Man, AMD was beautiful. What a huge difference, man. Okay. Nah, AMD was perfect, man. I even called AMD, but my this entry right here on AMD, that's everything I want it to be right there. Oh my bad. Man, I keep forgetting I'm not on this screen. This entry on AMD is everything I want it to be. It spent the whole morning proving itself. A little pullback, and then it ran. We're talking about me. uh, yeah, HH has a nice process with that ATR, man. Thanks for that, Pond. It's like I know what I want to do in the market, but it's not habitual and structured for me. So like today, I knew that I wanted to trade on the 5 minute and I wanted to be patient. But I didn't think at all about the patterns I wanted to take, about, you know, the type of daily setups that I wanted to entertain for intraday trades. I didn't think about any of that. And I actually haven't thought about that in a while because I've been so focused on the micro part of this thing. And stepping up to the 5 has helped a lot because now I'm looking at the 5, the 15, and the hourly, and it's really helping me step back. But I agree. I'm a lot of times I'm trading stocks that I probably shouldn't be trading. They're not really in play. Um, Whether from a catalyst point of view, but really, I mean, the daily is a big deal. Um, like I don't know, AMD, you had to trade today though. um, yeah, for sure. And I just wasn't focused on it at all today. All I was focused on was narrow range hammer candles on the 5 and possibly seeing those on the 15 and maybe the hourly. Like, because if you look at TSM, all right, you look at the 15 right here. Okay, we got these hammer candles. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Look, we got three of them. But that's not what I want to see. I want to see that at the bottom of something that is moving up and down cleanly. You know, I want to see this at the bottom of a pullback, not in the middle of a consolidation. And I've actually written that specific thing down before. Is not buying these. A hammer candle inside of another hammer candle is not a pattern, you know. But I don't know. I guess because I'm focusing on so many small things that it's hard for me when I come back. I'm focused on that thing, and I just keep forgetting about the entirety of the system. You know, like risk management is reflexive. I don't have to think about how I manage or where I'm going to put my stop in the trade. Like that's just I already know that when I'm calculating my position, I know where I'm going to put my stop in, and that's something I don't have to think about. But yeah, so I need to write these things down, and I probably just need to read over it every morning before I sit down and kind of walk through it. Yeah, I think a video call would be great. Just jump in the Discord, HH, and host host a ATR seminar for us this weekend. Yeah, I completely lost sight. Like I didn't even think about higher high, higher low. All week I've been thinking about higher highs and higher lows, and then today I'm just like, all right, trading on the five. um, AMD was like an anomaly today, but it wasn't a wide range green. Ben, your chart, your chart you posted. That's hilarious, man. Yeah, the thing that I was is kind of I feel like HH when we're talking about ATR, like if I go back and look at the last 10 candles traded, or I think in the scanners they often use the last 14 days traded, I'm looking at the average dollar amount that the stock moves in each day, and that's what I consider the average trading range. So, um, yeah, Saturday we're already planning to link up, Richard, at 9 a.m. Um, on Zoom. So, um, but I don't know. I feel like you're kind of explaining something other than that as far as the average trading range because you have like a hard number that you set on that day for the trading range, and that's what I'm uh yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, let's get it, Richard. Let's get it. Huh. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, at the very least, the trading range thing is something to have in your bag as far as an understanding on the potential move a stock can make. That's something we can all benefit from, in whatever strategy. Yeah, even if you don't, like I was telling you, bro, what you showed me, even if I don't make that my strategy, I still take things from it, to help my thing. But Richard, bro, what you said about like how consistently red I've been, like, I just need to start shorting everything, huh? That's hilarious. Just hit the sell. Just keep doing my strategy, but just hit the sell button instead of the buy. uh, that's funny. Man, that's what's up. VOD. Wow. Wow. This thing is moving crazy. This mug must have had a crazy catalyst, huh? HH. 848. Yeah, why not? Yeah, that's beautiful. That's what's up. Vodafone. Yeah, $9 was a really nice level on that thing, man. And you got in at 848. Yeah, $10 looks very probable. Man, how did I trade the trash that I trade? I just can't even believe it. I'm gonna be ready tomorrow, though. I'm gonna be ready tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, we want to see it. Yeah. Don't look as crazy on the 15 minute. Google bringing it all the way back. Swinging that Google short, huh? Hmm. I mean, we got a lot of green days in a row. I'm not really mad at you. 174.71. It just barely broke that high today, and then it double topped and came back down. When'd you get in, hey, bruh? Yeah, Baba. Baba's amazing. Yeah, I'm not with it either. Okay. So you've been clenching your pearls for the last last hour or so then. You got in before 174.71? Yeah, that's a brave move, shorting Google today, but I definitely get it at 174.71. Especially, I mean, it's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green days in a row. Not necessarily up days, but 9 days it closed higher than it opened. Oh, okay. Yeah, I would have looked at that ATH, this ATH candle right here at 174.71 on the high day on that one, but uh nice. Yeah. I'm coming around on that real quick, HH. It just makes sense. Like if you got a technical setup with no news and you got a technical setup with news with a catalyst, it just makes sense to trade the one with the catalyst. He's looking for you the one who's HH, that's your term, right? Cancerous stocks. HH is hunting at the stock nursing home for his stocks. Over there in rehab. Yeah, so I need to get to the office way earlier. Dang, so I gotta look at news. Probably not a bad habit to start. One-hour chart trader. Ben is our live chat comedian. uh, This is too much. Also, I've known this was too much for a long time. This is another FOMO thing, wanting to watch so many charts at once and not just being selective like I should be. I'm ready to get rid of all my FOMO habits. 2 minute charts or 2 minute time frame, watching 9 charts. I'm ready to get rid of all of it. Hey, Ty Weathers. Today was experimental. I was just fiddling around with the 5 minute chart today. No setups. Just making sure my buttons still worked on the 5 minute chart, and they work. So tomorrow I'm back on the grind as far as actually looking for legitimate setups on legitimate stocks in play. Um, yeah, I think that will make a lot of sense. I think I'm about to add this overlay to everything too. Bruh. Maybe a little bit lighter. Um, it went better in the sense of being more patient, but I mean, it's not a magical time frame. You still have to you still have to have a setup. And bro, I was honestly just not even like, my setup is so simple. I'm just looking for higher highs and higher lows, and I didn't even above the opening range, and I didn't look at that at all. Honestly, I don't know what I was doing, but I was trading things on the daily that I don't like. On daily setups I don't like. I was doing a lot. So, but good experience. Cheap tuition was paid for that testing of the 5 minute. So I'm good. I feel like this was definitely a step in the right direction, and wow, did really good today. There was no way in on that thing. I can't believe how bad my platform's been performing today. They're gonna have to hold down. Yep, I ain't been drawing levels either, Olu. I just been. I definitely need the same routine. I need habits, and I need to repeat those things every day. I've been really fluid about everything, and I don't need to be. It's like when the market doesn't have what I want, then I kind of just throw my routine out and just kind of intend to be dynamic or whatever. But those are just the days when you don't trade, you know? So much to learn. So much. It's the same, Ben. It's the same. It's the same. I'm gonna do the same thing on the 5 I was doing on the 2 and the 1. So it's the same. Hmm. Where do you go for that information, HH? Is it Nasdaq.com? What's your go to? Where do you make your rounds in the morning when you're sitting down looking for stuff? Forex Factory. What about the equities, bro? Hmm. It sounds like that would be you, Ben. Are you are you volunteering? Honestly, Ben, you probably saved me from for Yeah, I see. I kind of saw that once I pulled it up and looked through. I was like, okay, I can see how this relates. But if you're looking for specific stock news, I don't know if that's the right spot. I know, dude. I do be sneaking them in sometimes, man. Yeah, for sure. All right, Richard, man. Thanks for stopping by. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna wrap it up too. I'm gonna really spend some time building my morning routine, like a literal. I just need to sit down and do the same thing every morning. Look for the same things. Build the same type of watch list based on the same criteria, and trade the same pattern. So appreciate y'all being patient with me, man, and not clowning me in the live stream. I think Ty be wanting to a little bit, man. But nah, you guys have been super supportive, and I appreciate that very much. And it's been a pleasure getting to know you guys and hanging out with you guys. I'm gonna get this thing, man. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. God willing. But Richard, man, you better get that email in, bro. Actually, I got Richard's email. If he don't send it to you, I'll send it to you. But anyway, man, you guys have a great day. I'll do my review video in a bit, and tomorrow's Friday. When I really have a good close to the week of just not doing anything stupid, of trading the plan, sticking to the plan. I like my 20-minute timer. I think I'm gonna stick with that. But I'm gonna focus on things that are trading above the opening range, which is my strategy, and higher high, higher low. It's quite simple, but